Sanibonani guys, yimi ugelweni woku Lifetime Solution ne guys. As they say, ayikho inkinga guys enganasixazululo. So like guys, namhlanje ngize ngodumba kaSibumbu ne guys. Udumba kaSibumbu usebenza kulaba like abanenkinga, like let's say maybe uyashela yabona, then like icherry like ikubhayizise ingafuni ukuqoma. So like guys, le product lena guys izokusebenzela. Uyayithatha le product lena ne uyithele esandleni, then ushikishe isandla sakho size sishise isandla sakho, then uyahamba uyobamba lo cherry loyo omfunayo. Ukumbamba kwakho uzoqoma. Mawumbamba mele umbambe isikhumba ne guys. If ugcoke like a short sleeve umbamba la, if ugcoke i long sleeve uzombamba la, like umbambe sakudlala. Mawuqedile umbuke emehlweni, eventually lo girl sokwe wakho sekaqomile, seku owakho, then kena nizothandana kena kube mnandi guys. I product lena iseselini ne guys from namhlanje nge7 April until nge30 April guys. Isuka ku 1000 rand iya ku 300. So ngicela ukuthi nawe uthole i product yakho isesekhona guys, i limited i product. Siyayithola kumkhulindaba ezitha guys. Ngicela ukuthi nixhumane naye, nimcontacteni or nimtexteni, nani nizothola i product yenu. Thank you.